Coral reefs are vital ecosystems supporting marine life. However, they face severe threats from climate change and human activities. Restoration techniques are essential for revitalizing these ecosystems. Transplanting corals is a popular restoration method. Coral nurseries grow coral in controlled environments. Genetic research is aiding in developing resilient coral. Another method involves artificial structures mimicking reefs. Community involvement is crucial in restoration efforts. Some techniques use coral spawning to enhance reproduction. Monitoring is essential to assess the success of restoration. Biopreservation is an emerging strategy for reef health. Public awareness campaigns help educate communities. Successful restoration shows hope for coral resilience. Policy changes are essential for long-term success. Technological advancements are aiding restoration efforts. Coral reefs contribute to coastal protection against storms. Restoring coral reefs can boost local economies through tourism. Active restoration requires ongoing research and funding. Every effort counts in preserving these vital ecosystems. Join the movement to protect our coral reefs for future generations.